Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Today is excursion day once
Sure
more.
is.
We've been busy little bees over here.
We have.
We are doing a boat trip, a
Yes.
lake excursion. We're going to Hua Hum. Full day activity, almost.
I'm really excited because a couple days ago it was so windy here that I was thinking like, oh, I hope that the boats aren't canceled because they do cancel them.
They
when
do
it's windy.
cancel them if the water's choppy, yeah.
Today's gorgeous, just a light breeze, not a cloud in the sky, perfect visibility, and so yeah, we couldn't have picked a better day to go sailing.
Yeah, so we're heading out at 12, coming back around 7 or 7:30.
Yeah.
And during the day we're going to be doing some hikes, stopping for food, and just enjoying cruising on a beautiful lake. So that's the plan for today.
Let's do it.
All right, so doing the math for you guys, letting you know the price right away. These are the boat tickets.
Yeah.
Big piece of paper in hand right there.
Yeah.
So this was 1,800 pesos per person, which is in US dollars, 43 US dollars.
Yes.
43 US bucks for a 7 or so hour excursion with a guide. So that's what we paid. And then because we're going into a national park, we also have to pay that admission fee.
Yeah.
Because we are foreigners, it is 350 pesos, which
Right.
is 850 in US dollars.
Yeah.
But if you're a national, the
It's about
price is
half.
much cheaper. Same if you're a student or
Right.
you're retired or if you're from the province.
If you're a local or from the province, you pay even less than Argentine national. That's typically how the pricing scheme works here.
And as you can see here, it lets you know that this tour is suspended on windy or rainy days. First stop, food. Yum, 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 yum.
I'm hungry.
So lovely excursion
Yeah.
so far.
So far, so good. The waters have been calm. The visibility has been incredible. I mean, yeah, it's been great so far. We weren't on the boat that long, about 15-20 minutes before our first stop.
Yes.
And yeah, we're both really hungry.
It's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime. We're getting a Milanese Napolitano, which
Yeah.
is the Milanese. It comes with tomato sauce and cheese, maybe some ham as well. 2 ham and cheese empanadas and 1 carne, which is meat.
And we got them fried.
Oh, fritas. Oh, nice. So yeah, we're looking forward to this. This will be our lunch. Yeah, I guess there's about an hour and a half stop here.
Yeah, there's a nice little beach here along the lake, so we're gonna go for a walk afterwards, but first we need fuel.
I think this is the most chill stop. Eventually we'll be getting back on the boat and disembarking somewhere else where we're gonna do like a proper hike, hopefully.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to that the most. The Milanese has arrived. Audrey's already been going to town.
I don't waste any time ever.
Ever.
So yeah, we got the complete one with ham, tomatoes, cheese, oregano. We've got this little sauce here.
What do you say?
Looks really good.
Is it good?
I'm so hungry. And we still have empanadas to go along with this.
Yeah, and they brought us bread, which we haven't tried yet.
So 2 types of empanadas to try.
Yeah, so this one over here is going to be the ham and cheese. Ooh, look at all the cheese oozing out. And then over here we have the meat ones.
Yeah. And I should mention they also mark them, like they've got little letters on top. I'll show you this one that's not cut yet.
Yeah.
You have JK, jamon queso, that's ham and cheese. And the meat one's also marked so you can tell what you're eating.
Oh, such a creamy cheese. It's dominated by cheese. There's just a little bit of ham. I love the fried ones, the fritas. Those are the tastiest empanadas.
Yeah, they're way more flavorful when they've been fried in oil.
They're not the healthiest, but the tastiest.
Once in a while.
Once in a while.
Also, there are other restaurants here by the beach, so don't be fooled into thinking there's only one. Walk around, read the menus, you've got options. So we just finished lunch here in Quila Quina.
We did.
We are now going a little walk.
Yeah, it was 500 something pesos, right? So.
Oh yes, I should mention, you get a 20% discount if you pay with cash and you're a part of this excursion. Which is pretty nice.
That was nice.
So there is also a little trail system over here. It's called Sendero Wedandina.
3 different options.
Yeah.
So you've got one that's 3.5 hours, 10 kilometers. Now this one's 15.7 kilometers, but 7 hours. So it must be some more difficult terrain. Oh, it also gives a level of difficulty as well. Yeah. And then there's another one that's 6 hours, that's 14 kilometers. So if you're into trekking, there's lots of options here.
One thing to mention, there's another boat that just comes here to Quila Quina, drops you off, and you can spend time at the beach or go trekking, and then you return in the afternoon or evening. So that's another tour option if you guys are interested. So we're now crossing through a narrow point where there's only 1 meter of depth. We're off the boat again.
We are. We were on for a while.
So now we are going to be hiking. It's about a 2-kilometer hike or so to go visit a waterfall. We're going to a lookout point. Yeah, we're with the guide, we're with the crew. It's a big group. Just gonna hang back. Took it slow, take it easy.
¿Cómo es nuestro recorrido? Nosotros salimos, vamos a ir derecho 100 metros y el puente que vamos a cruzar a 100 metros, de ese puente nosotros hacemos 400 metros más y llegamos a una arcada. Una arcada que dice bienvenido a Cascada del Chachin.
Guys, we made it to the waterfall, Chachin Waterfall, I believe it was called. Whoa, steep hike there. Not very long, just very steep. But we made it, beautiful views. Sam got some lovely creamy footage. Like the waterfall just looked like the veil on a bride's gown. It was so cool. And yeah, we've walked back to the port now. We're just waiting for the rest of the group to arrive. We're gonna get on and continue the tour. I think we may have one more stop because we're not meant to be back till after 7 and we've still got a few hours. So I don't know if there's more hiking or just like free time along the lake. But yeah, we're gonna get back on. Also, blackberries, my favorite. These are so nice. I'm just craving sour stuff. And these are really good. Next stop, afternoon tea at Osteria Hua Hum. This is our afternoon tea situation. So initially we wanted sandwiches, but they're all out. So we're going for entirely sweet options. This is the alfajor.
That's for me.
Dulce de leche. That's Sam's, so won't be touching that. But I ordered like a tart with raspberry jam, which is really nice. I quite like it. And got a little bit of juice.
Ooh, pomelo, grapefruit.
Pamplemousse juice.
Pamplemousse. Grapefruit, pomelo.
Nice setting. We have beautiful views of the lake. There's some kittens playing outside. So yeah, good stop.
Whoa, look at all the dulce de leche and coconut.
I wonder how thick the filling is. Let's get a look. Ooh.
Well.
That's one of the thickest alfajores I've ever had.
Whoa.
Also, I can't think of too many that has more coconut than this one. It's so good.
That's like sugar overload right there.
We might have to get another one for the road. Is that good?
Wow. Wow. It's like thicker than the cookie itself.
Yeah.
Guys, so I believe this is our final stop of the day. We are now on Santa Teresita Island. If I heard correctly, is only 400 meters in length here in the middle of the lake, and we're just doing a little hike through the woods, and we're gonna be seeing an arajan tree that is 90 years old. That's the one that's like colored like cinnamon. We're also gonna be hiking up to a lookout point, and then we're going to be visiting a chapel. Apparently there is a little chapel here. Check it out, the Aradan or Arashan. This one is 90 years young. Oh my. And what's really interesting is that these are actually two trees that have grown and eventually linked up. They've joined. Nature at its finest. We are back on the mainland.
We are back and we've brought our appetites. We're gonna go find somewhere to eat. The tour is fantastic. I kind of love the concept of have a little bite, do a little hike, have another little bite, do another hike. That's my kind of tour. But anyways, we've been eating like just small bites throughout the day.
We need
so
dinner.
We're ready for a proper dinner.
Exciting. So yeah, we're just gonna head into town, go on the main street, see what we can find.
Yeah, we'll show you guys what we find. Oh, what a wonderful meal.
What a meal.
My gosh, it was good. I mean, I knew from the beginning, from the get-go, the appetizers, I'm like, wow, this is a little bit beyond normal to have like such a nice hummus dip. And then remember the garlicky bean dip? The quality of the bread, I'm like, oh, this is a good start. And then the mains just got better.
It was really good. So the place is called Tio Paco.
Yeah.
And Sam thought it was Tio Tacos. He thought it was gonna be Mexican food. Not at all.
Sorry,
but it
guys,
was
that's really naive.
Wonderful steaks and pasta, and we had red wine. It was so funny because our waiter, Dave, hello Dave.
Hey Dave, thanks for
watches our videos.
Dave was such a good waiter. I mean,
he
was so friendly and attentive, but he also he served us at the end. We had a complimentary cheesecake and coffee. Great meal, great day. Oh my gosh, I think it's time for bed.
Yes, so we're gonna say goodbye and find our way back home. Ta-ta!
Ta-ta.